What's up? It's RLA bringing you another video. We got some team deathmatch with a couple of my friends, and I'm gonna be using the chainsaw NMG. So we'll see. We're on Octane. This map's alright, better than most of the maps. Honestly, I like this map a lot better than that, like the castle map or like all those other crappy maps that Call of Duty Ghosts has. But whatever. Waiting for other players. Armor-piercing rounds can penetrate ballistic vests. Okay, here we go. Chainsaw. This gun looks so beast, honestly. Freaking, oh, there's Michael. Hello, Michael. You can't hear me right now, but whatever. Dude, oh, this thing will just shred people up. Reflex, that's the one I got. I got a Magnum too, just for fun. This gun is, I don't know, it's just so much fun to use. Let's see, where is everybody? Everybody. I don't know. Let's go around this way. Doo. Okay. Soldiers. Oh, we got enemy inside of this building. Let's go. Up the stairs. Can't find it. Oh, there's. Oh, lag. That's unfair. Damn it. Okay, well that was really laggy, so that kind of sucked, but whatever. Oh, okay. That was also pretty. Oh, I got steady aim. That's pretty good for this. Oh, there we go. Payback. I think they're all in this building area. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Let's go around the back and see if we can find anybody. Oh, Jesus. This guy had the same idea. Let's see. I love how this LMG can move faster than all the LMGs, too. That's always a plus. Oh, there's a guy. Headshot. Oh, I got a SATCOM. Place it right there. I like having hardline on this class. I don't know why. It's just easier. Well, yeah, of course it is, because you lose one kill. Alright. They're probably up in the buildings. Wait, there's somebody over here. Up there, maybe? No. Where are they? Oh, he's dead. Never mind. Where is everybody? Jesus, this is bad. Sorry if this is a little boring. I can't find anybody. Everybody's missing in action. Let's see. Oh, there's somebody. Come here. Come here. Oh, double kill. Think you can run past the chainsaw? Can't run past the chainsaw. Oh, that guy scared me. Ooh, I got a dog. Nice. Doggy, your name is Django. Let's see. Oh, this guy's lagging out. Let's not stand near him. That's interesting. I love when you see those people just like running in place slowly. Oh, yep. I could not see really where they were. Right, let's go up here. There should be people. Yep, you're dead. Oh, yes, that's humiliation. Aw. He had the dual magnums, didn't he? Let's go. Come on, give me something good. Give me something good. Give me something good. Please be something good. Please. Oh. Oh, yeah, my dog got a kill. Nice. Oh, Trinity Rocket. That's not bad. Oh. Damn it. I hate that when you just get it and then they kill you. Yes, doggy. Payback. Payback. Damn it. Oh, they have Jazz Crimes on their team? That's interesting. Oh, there you go. There's that guy. Oh, it was Jazz. Nice. He's another one of my friend. Okay, that was a fail. Couldn't really see anybody about those guys, but whatever. That was pretty bad. Doesn't matter. This guy's dead. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh. I was like, there's somebody behind me. What am I gonna do? Who killed me? That guy? Oh. Let's see. Oh, he's dead. He is a dead man. Alright. Come around here. Let's get up the ladder. Come on, climb, climb. Nope! Oh, yep, he trapped it. Bastard. Okay, well, we were doing good, and now we're doing okay. Oh, okay, that guy got him. Let's go over here. They're this way, I believe. Yeah, all of them should be over here. Let's hope they did not set an explosive up here. If they did, I'm gonna be really mad. Nope, but there's a guy waiting there. Of course. Okay, well this game was alright, and now it's not alright. How much more time do we have? Okay, we have a good amount of time. Jazz. Oh, okay. Hello. Hello there. Oh, dude, move. Move! Where are the enemies? I hate when I don't know where the enemies are and I'm just walking around like aimlessly, just like, is any... Nope, Jazz, not happening. Oh, what? No way. Ah, oh, there's a guy above too. That sucked. That sucked. Let's see. They should be over here. That's where they were before. Oh, double kill. And that gets me my thingy. Nice. My satgum. Hello, dude. Got you. I love this gun, dude. This gun is awesome. With the right attachments. Okay, let's go around. Oh. Jazz was just waiting for me. Just waiting. Oh, damn it. That's 2 times in a row by the same guy. Nice. Well, this game didn't go so well. Okay, there we go. Killed him. Let's hope that... Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, run! Run! There's a guy over here somewhere. Somewhere in here. There's a fellow in here. Let's... Oh, you bastard. Bastard. Hiding. Let's see. No? Okay. The... Got you. Oh! Oh! My gun didn't start shooting fast enough. That was crud. Oh. Oh! Damn it! Okay, well, that was our game. 17-19. Pretty bad, but whatever. Who cares? And, thank you all for watching me use the chainsaw. It went well for a little bit, and then it kind of went sour, but who cares? And I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.